Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to create an Xfinity account in 2025. Whether you're a new customer looking to stream your favorite shows, manage your internet, or handle your home security, having an Xfinity account is essential. This process is quick and user-friendly, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get set up in under 10 minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or smartphone, and open your web browser. Head over to the official Xfinity website by typing in www.xfinity.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Create Account button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. It's designed to be easy to spot, so you won't miss it. Next, click on that button, and you'll be prompted to enter your personal details. Start by providing your email address or phone number. These will be your login credentials. Make sure to choose a strong password. Aim for at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Xfinity might ask for additional info like your name, address, and date of birth, so have that handy. After you've filled in the basics, you'll need to verify your account. This could involve checking your email for a verification link or receiving a code via text message. Once verified, you might be asked to set up two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a great idea to enable this to protect your data. Now that your account is created, log in using your credentials. You'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can explore features like managing your services, paying bills, or customizing your preferences. If you're linking this to existing Xfinity services, follow any on-screen prompts to connect them. And just like that, you're all done. Creating an Xfinity account in 2025 is simpler than ever, with improved interfaces and security measures. If you encounter any hiccups, like forgotten passwords, head to the help section on the website or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.